Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Chevrolet Corvette. Begin by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle for the car's base. This forms the chassis. Next, define the main body lines, focusing on the distinctive long hood and short rear deck. Gently outline the wheel wells and the cabin area, ensuring the proportions are correct for a sports car. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced drawing. Now let's add some key features. Carefully draw the four wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced and aligned within the wheel wells. Next, focus on the distinctive headlights and taillights, capturing their specific shapes. Don't forget to include the iconic side vents and the subtle door lines, which give the Corvette its sleek profile. These details bring the car to life. It's time to refine the body. Smooth out the initial lines, adding the characteristic curves and sharp edges of the Corvette's design. Sketch the windshield and side windows, paying attention to the sleek roofline. For the interior, lightly draw the seats and the steering wheel, giving a sense of depth. These refinements make the drawing more realistic and dynamic. For the final touches, carefully erase any unnecessary sketch lines, leaving a clean outline. Now, apply shading to give your Corvette drawing depth and dimension. Think about where light would hit and create reflections on the glossy surfaces. Add small but important details like the Chevrolet emblem, brake calipers, and exhaust pipes. This brings your Corvette drawing to a polished finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.